Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll to find the sound. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got, let's say, a section connected to the ringtones. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the phone ringtone option, but also for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option None, and after picking it, your device will simply not use the sound feedback to notify you about the incoming call. On the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got the Add Ringtone option, and after tapping on it, you will be able to set your own music as the ringtone, so it will transfer you to your files. So if you've got any compatible, for example, downloaded, then they will appear right here, and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me go back to those options, to those defaultly installed ringtones. And basically, in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example, and as you can, I hope so, you can hear, we can check how they sound. So basically, of course, you can check all of them, and if you will decide which one you want to set, just tap on it and make sure that it is marked. So let me pick this one and tap on OK. And as you can see, after getting back to the sound section, and the new ringtone is notified right here, the name of this ringtone, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen one to notify you about the incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.